to you. Paddy was telling me the other day. Is that your friend John from Mystic
John
Park?
Hatfield?
Yeah, John Hatfield. For some reason, his kids wanted like kind of
a DNA test
put him into
to
a
check
DNA
whether or not
thing.
he was their dad.
No. Like do the DNA test, and it came up with a match, and he had another kid somewhere.
Really?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Wait, is that how
But
it
they
works? You can
don't.
just do
They
that?
don't match them. They don't match them. It's like.
But how would they
it's
have
like
the
you
DNA
have
of
a
the other
match,
kid?
But you can't be connected with them because there's privacy
Lancar
issues.
cerita.
Yeah.
So he knows that he has this
Sambut.
kid.
That's fucked up. That is so fucked up. But there's no way of finding out who the kid is.
Mengkalemo guys ya.
So he's like waiting for a moment.
Pakai
Presumably
sambut,
his kid
sarung,
has come up
sarung.
with his own ideas
Dingin?
who it might be.
Aman,
So
pakai
this
jaket.
kid would have uploaded his own.
Suka sarung, suka sarung Raja.
Yeah. But now it's up to them to find out.
Si Pandiwang cerita
You know,
ni
like,
guys.
to kind of make
Cerita
that
sudah.
connection.
I heard this
That doesn't
crazy.
surprise me.
This
John
is-
Hatfield's got an illegitimate child somewhere.
I mean, it doesn't surprise me that most men in the 70s don't have a illegitimate child.
There was this crazy story, but my friend from the conference was saying about his partner found out from doing 23andMe that her dad wasn't her dad. I guess that stuff happens all the time.
Wait,
like,
what's 23andMe?
like
It's the same like ancestry. Like
thing,
you give your piece of DNA and they.
Yeah,
And her dad wasn't her
yeah. But she hated her dad, so it was like
Okay.
awesome.
Alright, so it wasn't like her beloved father.
Yeah.
The dad's like, oh.
Saja dikasih
Dad was
tahu apa yang
never
dibilang
told
ini
that
jadi.
his stepfather wasn't his dad.
Yeah. But
He
wasn't
always
it a little bit
Kurang
kind
kuat
of
siang
like
dia,
he kind of suspected or something? Or?
He suspected, but he never had any like
Did he look real different?
evidence, and he could
His
never
stepfather?
ask. Yeah,
And just like was different.
I mean, he
Tapi
was.
ngawur aku
Yeah.
perang ini.
Yeah,
And the
no,
dad
no,
being
Well,
like,
my
"Oh,
sister
son,
did
I
it,
can't
and
tell you."
she
But also
didn't
he
even
loved
tell
him
me.
more than
She
anyone
just,
in
but
the
I
world.
think she
Like he
just
loved
Totally.
him way
But then
more
like,
than
I feel like it was fine, but
Eh.
it was like, and then like,
Ngawur
she
awak
visited
perang
it
ini.
Do you remember him very well?
last year.
Yeah,
she
big
was like,
time. But
oh,
he
I
like
think
he
it
was
came up, and then she
already
was like, oh yeah, I did 23andMe. I was like, why didn't you tell
of
me?
of my
That's
grandparents
where
to
does
go
that?
Yeah,
that, that I
there
did
could be
meet.
like
He was the first
like
one to
found
go.
something with
Like,
you, like
Yeah.
you as well.
He was the first one to like disintegrate.
But
How old were you
So-
when he passed away?
When he died, I was like,
Does it show like nationality?
yeah, but the thing, it was
Do you
a
remember him very
surprise because we know
But did he
that
live
our
like a few
dad
years with
was
dementia
Jewish,
before
so
he died?
like we thought.
No,
Or was
it
it
was-
kind of like
I
he
hadn't
disintegrated?
thought
It was
about it
very
properly, but
quick.
I thought I'd have like at
it was
least
within like a year or
quarter
two.
of
I would say I was
my
10 and I spoke at his
ancestors would be, like,
funeral.
ethnically Jewish, but we're only
And
8%.
I read a speech
Wow.
written by
Because since
Dad.
it's passed through the
And it was the
mother,
first
it's
time
like
I'd ever
really
seen Dad
only
cry.
like from
And
ethnically.
he,
ethnically.
Yeah.
At your grandpa's funeral.
I wonder like how would that work with
Okay.
and it was
Someone
also
who
the
would-
first
like
my
casket
dad's-
funeral.
like
And,
My mum.
hundreds of
Literally,
tribes.
like, even though
Oh my
it
god!
has
I
become
wait,
like
where's
the
my phone?
story
Oh yeah, I
to
got my phone.
Toraja.
Please.
Why-
Like
Like,
where
it-
they
it was-
identify that you were from Bugis, you're from
Because they
Toraja,
asked for
or
it.
is it just like you're
They don't
Indonesian and maybe part of
Um,
your Malaysian?
he was
Literally, I'll show you this. It was the
and
crazy
went
at the
through all
National
concentration
Museum.
camps, and his
And then,
partner was
have you been there in
Polish,
Jakarta?
fucking-
No, I've never been to National
They
Museum. I think
Yeah,
they've
Catholic.
renovated.
She
But
was
Yeah.
I
because
didn't tell
all
when Ismail Marzuki.
Poles,
Like the big
most
square?
Poles
Yeah.
are
Yeah.
Catholic.
Yeah.
Si Pandi
But there's
Dibognya
like a dome.
pada
Yeah,
pada bayi ni mak
There,
cerita
like
sama-sama
the
perempuan
Monas
bercerita.
Or
Lagi-lagi saya
yeah,
tinggal
that's
menganga.
different. That's different from
Tidak
Or
tahu apa
like
yang bilang.
Orthodox, which
someone
is
in
basically-
Ismail Marzuki, TIM.
Yeah,
It's
but
for
it's
the
not.
arts
They
and
don't call it
performance
Polish
center.
Orthodox.
But the National
Not in-
Museum
As
is
far
close
as
to
I
Monas.
understand, it's
Hi
like,
guys, I don't
Is it
know
a
what
National
you're
Gallery?
talking about.
it's
It's
very.
Drink
Never
cerveza
very
a little bit.
Catholic.
Catholic.
It's like
Hmm.
that image of
Oh,
the.
so cute.
the-
Okay,
It's
bahasa
like
apa ini?
graduation
Ah,
of
bahasa
the
Bengkok kat
campus,
tempat
and
kita
everyone's
dulu.
like had these
Mega
really
kapan dong?
and they
extravagant, like,
redress it with different clothes.
like
They're like,
flowers
it's
and
like
candles
it's
and
Catholic.
stuff.
A lot of robes.
Apa nih cerita?
This lady
You know
from
ni.
No, the Pope comes through. What am I talking about? Częstochowa, where my grandfather grew up,
Oh,
is like the
that's
biggest
really
Catholic city.
Yeah.
in
Oh yeah. Then this is
Poland.
at
So like they have the biggest Catholic
she's
church.
like-
The
Okay,
Pope
Rosanna,
comes there all
Rosalina,
the
my
fucking
name is-
time.
yeah.
Wait, so where
it's
did
It's
they-
like the
Okay.
biggest.
Jam berapa di situ hampir?
Where did he
Refugees.
Ini sudah jam berapa ini, Kak?
Well, your grandpa.
Lah jam 10
Or
mo
like
ya.
your grandpa.
He's
Where
Bavarian.
from
He's
old
Bavarian.
ethnic
Baru-baru.
records of all the tribes.
Okay.
that are
Baru-baru
all
tenggelam
some
matahari.
tribes.
The guy that was.
And then you people were scanning their faces.
Częstochowa is like
And then it would
yeah,
match
such
you
a
up
Fred. No,
from
not
like
Częstochowa.
the ethnic,
No,
like the whole
not
of Indonesia.
Oh, what,
Yeah.
that
Oh,
is
sorry.
so
Your grandpa
Black
came from
Mirror.
Chester.
Yeah.
And
The
it's
Jewish
not
one.
even, I'm
The
sure,
Jewish
not
one.
accurate at all.
He
Yeah.
goes to the same town as your
It's-
grandma.
No, she was actually
I
from
was telling
Warsaw.
in
Right, and
Indonesian
di
class.
sana
Oh,
mas
so
selalu
he
nenek.
was from Częstochowa. He was a Jew from a Catholic.
Dia mas selalu nenek.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And he had an open
And is
casket
it accurate?
funeral.
Like, if
I
you
didn't-
have like
because
any
I
account of people
wish-
saying that,
Fruit?
yeah, I'm from that
I
area.
don't
Is
know.
open casket
I don't know.
funeral?
Jarang minum air
He
tadi.
wasn't a practicing
Jarang
Jew
didengar
before.
sakit ginjal.
Like,
And there was so
They went
Kenapa itu
to
Om
yeah, like
Israel
from like
Tahu ini ya?
1900s.
Iya, jarang main
Yeah,
lain.
everyone was doing
Polish
it, and then it
air
was
putih.
like,
Catholic partner and he's
This little
fucking
kid
Aryan
when he
looking.
Kalau orang bule ini
Statue, but at the age of 5 already.
tadi kami jalan-jalan
He's fucking
jalan kaki 100 meter
blue-eyed
dapat
Aryan
lagi bar
looking
minum lagi
kid.
1-2 jam.
And he's
Habis itu jalan kaki lagi 100 meter 200 meter
to this kid.
dapat lagi bar hampir lagi minum.
Sudah
Sudah 4 kali minum sampai sekarang.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Terus
And
ilo
he
oleh.
goes so many ways. Like,
Wait, his legitimate daughter is
like
your grandfather.
problematic.
Rupanya orang
Exactly.
bule
Yeah,
itu
that's what we
sembiar.
were just like. Well, Indonesia.
Laki-laki, perempuan, kakek, nenek semuanya
So,
minum.
I can't think of many countries in the world where firstly there'd be that much
with his
ethnic
stepdad.
diversity
So he
that
was
could
also-
exist, and then but then
was
secondly that people would be
own
like,
child.
cool, let's all do it.
Yeah,
Without
but
being like,
skin
it's
But he
color
never
plays so
problematic.
much
and-
into like matching you with the
Yeah.
I'm
So
like,
the reason you ever grew
I
up,
don't know how I feel about that.
his stepsister,
But-
his blood sister.
No, but
Yeah,
actually,
and
like
his dad
associating
was
with
his
different
blood.
tribes is
Everyone
not at all
looks very
problematic.
tired,
Like,
yeah.
like, I get a lot. Like,
Yeah,
literally
very
people
tired.
from
Because she was
Bandung,
too
like,
scared to
true.
tell you.
you're
Go
from
yeah,
Makassar,
the
because
reality
you're so
of it.
white.
around the
It's
city.
like, okay.
So she
Like,
wrote
is
this
it
whole
because,
like
yeah,
kind
because
of
Bandung people are
story
really so white.
about
Yeah.
and also to get
Like that was a compliment, but I was like,
after
okay.
the war.
Ilo leh.
But it's not like it's not a
Yeah.
skin color
Completely
thing. It's just
fucked. So
people
you
are
go
saying that
to
you look like the
the
majority of
government
these
to
people.
Yeah,
register
like it's not.
for
It's just a normal thing to be
Yeah.
commented
Cerita
on.
cerita
people's,
mengawan
like,
aku tak
skin
ketemu
colour.
to be able to
Ada.
fucking like rebuild your life.
But do you think it's like,
In
is it
Warsaw.
kind of
So she landed back in
problematic
Warsaw.
that people are like lighter
And
skin is
she's
better,
like,
or
"Where
is
is
it
my
'cause it's
dad?"
like a sign of like
And
health?
where are my sisters?
No, it's problematic for
And
sure. I mean,
she
growing up
found
with
out that
that,
her mum and her
Like-
sister were
for girls, like you don't go out to the
point
sun
blank
somewhere.
by a
It's like
fucking
guy
German
thing.
officer
It's like
in
common
Warsaw.
for like
who
kids, like
her
boys
sister
to
had a
have a dark
relationship
skin,
with.
and
This
for
is
girls
still
to
like
have
a part of the story that like no one really knows
But
about.
as time
Do you know
goes
the-
on,
should they know
it's
the
not a
year?
thing anymore. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah,
but
yeah, it's in like 42.
It's always been like that.
Were they in the ghetto?
Because I grew up, my sister is much more
No, because they were.
than I, and she has this always have self-conscious about her skin growing up. It's like
a
wearing all these
complete
different
null.
products because
Like
I mean my aunt
I mean,
would
like,
tell her
what
like,
we
you
know-
should get like the Bali,
Yeah,
you know this
you're
like
the
scrubbing
ghetto
in
in Warsaw
Balinese
is
that they
like-
use. I mean
is
it
like-
doesn't have
I mean,
to
I was
be
Okay,
assuming
just
why?
skin color,
Why
but
play?
it's supposed to like
Ghetto, or
exfoliate
it's
your
called like the
skin,
Warsaw
it's
Ghetto,
regenerated,
it's just the
and
city
my
of
sister would do
Warsaw.
that all the time.
Nah, so like all the ghettos started at the start. So like the Jews were
So,
put into
It's a big
the
thing,
ghettos,
especially
yeah.
growing up.
but then
And-
all of the
And people were
cities
saying, "You look
were
like a Bandungese," which is a
essentially
compliment,
just
but
in
I'm
like
I don't
constant.
like I feel weird about
It was
it.
just this constant
told
war
that.
between the nationalist
But your
Poles
is your
and the Nazis
your
and
dad, you have
just, like,
family in Bandung, or your
skirmishes.
cousin was
And
just
so
living
then
there
the
for work?
Warsaw
Just for work,
uprising,
yeah.
how does that?
I'm like pure blood.
What is that?
Boogies.
is
Like
the
South
ghetto
Wales.
uprising
Well,
and
if I
then
the
there's
ghetto
the
uprising.
Warsaw
Probably
uprising.
not.
Two different events.
Okay.
That's what I want to know.
No, the
Like,
ghetto uprising
whether I'm
happens
part of like different
Yeah.
tribes, but I don't know if they
Um,
have that.
And that's
That
Jews
deep of
in the
information.
ghetto.
in the ghetto, and then there's the
yeah,
Warsaw
I
uprising,
wonder.
which is
It'd be
literally
interesting
like
because
the
I have heard things like there's
citywide
other like
war
problematic
the whole
parts with some of
fucking
the texts.
city.
I think they
But that was
do
planned.
better
Sounds like a
now, but they were
coordinated.
very like they
Yeah,
could be
the-
really
the-
specific
Ada
for like.
i masa
because
teraya.
like they data
Kade duku bai, wai tatandai banyak tak sadar tu ya biasa guna kade.
Angeva, I
Biasa guna kade tu teraya tak ada ya.
This
Sojon,
specific town in
sojon solar
England.
sakris.
But I think the more and more
Masa dulu nenek solar dua.
Yeah.
You know, like
then
the ethnic Poles.
but not everyone has the
Creative
access to
communicating, it's an organ.
have that. Maybe if
Yeah,
you're from
to-
the
to
Western countries,
battle
then
the
there's
Germans
like
in
the
Warsaw.
amount of people
So they're
using
all
it,
in the
then you
sewers,
get accrued
and
that
then
data
like
from that
spread through
countries.
the sewers.
But people from
and-
Indonesia would
almost like the
normally do
Suez
that,
Canal.
as far as I know. So maybe
But
they don't have
Nana's-
that much
Nana's
data,
dad,
as opposed if you're like from the UK.
Yeah.
was part of the
Yeah, so
Polish
you can see why
resistance, and
they have more samples.
after the
Yeah.
whole
I
period
think they
of the
have their
war,
own
like,
thing in Indonesia,
fighting
like
during the
23andMe,
Warsaw
because 23andMe is
Uprising.
super expensive.
Kalau lagi
Like
Islam
Indonesia.
tayo tayo dah pura
Wait,
cerita
is the
cerita.
Warsaw
It's like
Uprising like
another
is that like
genetic
do you
test.
put the
Yeah.
Warsaw Uprising to a date?
Because you
Or
would
is
give
it
your
the Warsaw Uprising
saliva?
was
test for that.
There are-
an extended
there are
series
dates.
of
But
like,
like, you know
battles.
how you
It's
said,
a-
like,
it's a-
that's
when
happened
you know, like,
battles throughout
from
the
both
whole
sides of
okay,
your
true.
family is
Whereas
a
the
lot
Ghetto
longer, so you can
Uprising, the
remember
Warsaw
other
Ghetto
ways.
Uprising was
But
a
like,
day
so
when there was a planned
is your family
uprising.
would say they're like
Which was
indigenous to
consequent.
area?
But also-
like how you were
also,
saying yesterday,
like,
how like
The Warsaw,
yeah,
the Warsaw
there's other
Uprising
people you would
was
consider indigenous,
intense
but like you
for a
wouldn't consider.
certain date. It was
yourself,
an
or-
Yeah.
organized
Because I
Sure.
because I grew up
But it was
in
like
the city.
sustained.
Because that's
the
just
Nazis,
sounds
but they
familiar.
had to be able to
But
sustain.
like probably
Yeah.
my great grandfather, my
It's
grandfather
like
and grandmother was like the first
thing
generation to move to
in
Makassar. They were
Poland, and the
originally
reason
in
why Poles
the village in
remain anti-Semites.
Sinjai, which is South Sulawesi, like Guinness
No, it's
village.
true. It's true.
I just didn't know
Yeah,
that's
so
where you
probably
were.
my great
No, the Poles are still anti-Semites.
grandparents
They're still like
is
deeply anti-Semitic.
indigenous
I can
in some
imagine.
sense. I mean,
I mean,
now
Europe is still deeply
the term it's like very
But
hard
it's
to
it's the
Yeah.
conflation of the war.
After, like,
and still good.
after like the
The
independence.
conflation
it's, like,
of the
so
war
hard
with the
to figure
death of
out.
Jews
Because
as
after
opposed to
independence,
the
everyone
death of
started
Poles,
moving
which the
around.
Poles have just never been able to
And
accept.
about land rights, now it's more
Um,
associated to land rights.
Because
and
7
the
million
customs.
Jews died
Like
and
those who still maintain
and
the old customs are
so
considered
many
indigenous.
more Poles, ethnic
yeah,
Poles
I
died.
think-
Like it was the
Yeah, it's interesting.
center
Like
point
when
of
we
the
went to
war for
the,
all of the
I think
5
like the
years,
day
and,
before we
you know, the ethnic Poles were
went to
just
visit
absolutely
to go to
decimated at a
Tirana
rate
and did like
that
visiting. They were like
outnumbers
there was like
the
a
Jewish
briefing
deaths.
session in there explaining
So,
like
like,
you're
how
gonna go
many
to this
Poles
village,
died?
it's just like a
Is-
normal village, but everyone there is like has like indigenous to the area, and then people were asking them like
Were there
what
even
is
7
like
million
how long have they
Poles?
been there? And they were
People
like
in
at least 300
1940,
years.
1939.
And it, from like
What's the
from like an
population of Poles?
Australian or other
No, it's the
country
it's
context,
the
they're like
Polish
only
Jews
300 years,
because
like
Mega wah orang terakhir
Yeah,
tak aku
they're
tadi
like
aku buka dah kat
6 or
website ya.
7 million
Yeah,
Jewish
and then,
people
like,
who
it's
died
different.
in the war is
we
They
only know
haven't
one.
much information about it.
Sure.
It's been always their way of living.
It was the
They don't
amount
have
of
any
Poles,
documentations
you know,
about
in
when
Poland
they
as
started
opposed to
to
Jews in
reside on
Poland.
that land.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
the
And
customs
it was
and
the
the
same amount. I think
traditions
it
that
was
they were
like
doing, it's always been there. So
Mm.
you're indigenous in that sense.
3
Yeah.
I thought,
million,
I thought maybe
like,
part of it was like a lost
3
in
million
translation
odd Polish Jews
thing
were
about.
killed, and 3
Yeah,
million
it's
odd
super
Poles were
interesting.
killed, and it was something like
I've
40%
been having
of
so
the
much like
population.
identity
Yeah.
crisis around
Like 40% of
indigeneity
the
in
country's population.
Indonesia and how it's
And then
now
it's
tied to like
20 million Russians
focusing the
died.
government
20
and land
million
rights
Chinese
and
died.
less about the culture and identity where you're from.
Fucking wild, man. That's why, like,
Because
what's
people
his name?
will, people
Kobayashi's
now it's
films
like
in Japan after Manchuria and stuff.
like-
Like,
are wanting to like
the Japanese
groups that
couldn't
are like
fucking
using
admit that
like
they'd
the indigenous
been the cause of
status
20
to kind
million
of
What's also
Chinese
be able to
Okay,
protect
good
their
night.
land.
Okay,
yeah, I
but
mean,
then
a
it's
bit of
like
civil
Yeah,
war.
good
what
night.
does it
Some
mean
of that
for
stuff,
everyone
and the
else
only
who's
reason
like,
I
well,
really know
I'm
much
still
about
connected, but I don't live
Yeah.
there
I mean-
or something.
Ay, dah ilok le.
It's
Oi.
conversation of like life.
Ilok le, ilok le.
Now, like, we
Ilok le,
go to
ilok
the
le.
city
Iloli.
and
Ilok le, ya minum,
now
minum,
trying
minum.
to
Minum.
say that there
Ilok
is no
le.
indigenous people, we're all the same,
Ilo.
we're
Ilok
all-
le.
Itu
we're
minum.
all indigenous.
Minum ya.
Or you-
Ilu.
Ilok
Is that
le.
what people say?
I've never heard ilu. I've never
Iro,
heard.
iro is mean.
Oh,
drink.
mangiru.
Mangiru. But if you drunk, you can say ilu.
It's like-
Ilu.
If you not drunk, iru, iru re. But if you drunk, you can ilu le. Ya, mangiru.
Mangiru.
What's maniru?
Mangiru drinking.
Of course.
Ya.
Tua. Mangiru tua.
Mangiru tuak.
I've never heard ilu.
Yeah.
Ilu if you drunk. Because
Kalau-
R, you can say L.
Kalau Malango say ilu. Ilu
To be
uli.
honest, it sounds a little bit like you're talking about your son. Elo.
Elo. Kalau sudah linggo namanya ilu linggo.
Yeah, it's
Ilu,
there was
How
videos
funny is it
that,
that Lingo
across Asia,
is our
just
drunk
ideas
friend,
of
but
indigeneity, like
everyone.
it's like a very
I only
different
learned
kind
this
of.
last year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a word for drunk.
Pak Lingo is the name
There
of
was a girl
Victor.
from
Yeah.
Vietnam and she
Pak
was
Lingo.
saying how, like,
Pak Lingo.
yeah, there's only
Pak
a
Lingo.
type.
Ompis namanya Pak
Where does
Lingo.
that name come from?
Ya.
Pak Lingo.
And what's
Lingo.
interesting, like,
Where does that
Malango.
name come
it's
from?
like Indigenous,
Yeah.
it's tied to Indigenous.
Namanya Pak Lingo dari mana?
That's itu sebuah ungkapan atau pernah viral dulu. Ada sebuah drama yang seorang anak kecil diserek-serek. It's mean mencret, you know mencret?
Mencret
Iya,
means
karena
fucking diarrhea.
karena habis minum balok mencret. Namanya linggo. Jadi kalau orang yang sudah mabuk kita namanya linggo. Mencret.
Kalau ada mencret,
Iya.
kamu namanya
Lingo.
Pak Lingo.
Iya.
Saya tidak tahu.
Jadi waktu
Tandai.
anak saya lahir, anak-anak apa itu menyebut-nyebutnya atau mengganggu saya dengan namanya Linggo. Namanya nanti anakmu Linggo.
Lingo.
Iya.
Kenapa Lingo? Apa artinya Lingo?
Linggo mabuk dan
Explain
mencret.
to me what
Karena banyak
It means
karena
drunk and diarrhea.
Diarrhea.
So why is he called Pa Drunk and Diarrhea?
Nah,
Because you were drunk and you had diarrhea.
yeah, drunk
Just one
because
time.
of mesuk, tukang mesuk.
Mesu.
Mesuk, ballo mesuk,
But so
ballo.
he at one point was drunk and had
Ballo.
diarrhea, and some people decided to call him Pa.
Yeah, because it was from a story about a child who drank ballo too much and had diarrhea. So
But is that why
Oke,
Is it
dia
called-
saya pernah di mana ini di
because that happened
Melbourne.
once?
yeah, so
Is that why
Australia.
Lingo in Tumbang Datu?
Ya, linggo tuh pada tuh karena everyday mabut.
Ah.
Oke.
tapi itu untuk
So
semua
what's
orang.
his real name?
Ya.
Untuk paling gue saja.
Iya.
Is that why
Gitu.
you don't drink, Victor?
I don't drink.
I don't know.
I don't
One
drink.
time was
Apa
too
itu
much.
nama benar? Pak
Ya,
Lingo.
bukan.
Linggo
Lingo
artinya mencret.
di Tumbang Datu. Apa itu nama benar?
Bukan nama benar karena dia sering mabut. Makanya panggil linggo.
Tapi Pak Lingo di Tumbang Datu. Apa itu namanya benar?
Itu memang
Bukan,
namanya
bukan,
Palinggo.
bukan.
That's not his actual name.
No.
Yeah, no, but what is his real name?
Apa
Yeah.
nama aslinya? Kita tahu
Karena
nggak?
pong salty.
Pong Salty.
Ada nanya.
Something, that's a beautiful name.
Pong Salty.
Saya juga bukan nama.
Salty.
Salty. Oh, that's even better.
Halo.
Salty. Oh, shit.
Yo,
Double fire.
ini kamu cerita ya. Oh.
Halo, Mbak Ella.
Halo. Oh.
Ada John.
Ada John. Oh.
Emma!
Halo. Tunggu.
Bagaimana di kampung?
Halo.
Apa
Yo.
Emma?
Mang kamu anu, mang
Mangka apa?
Mangka mau apa?
Mangka apa?
aku ke.
Hah?
Tak apa aku tela. Natap na.
Apa tapu?
Batu tela lah ku abang mo tukang ko pesan saja.
Oh iya, pesan saja. Iya. Batu bata habis.
Pesan apa?
Batu bata. You know batu bata? Bata this
Yeah.
for
Cement.
materials for building. Habis.
Habis.
Iya.
Naya to jendela tam to rikot o taman to na kinapa na kaca kayu ya.
Iya.
Kusen kayu memang ka.
Iya, nasa mo kasi kayo mo.
Oh,
Kaya ano kaya? Iya.
nyara ito no. Tanina mo minum.
Tidak tahu juga bagaimana ketukang.
There's
Sa
something.
terpasa kanila.
What about the windows? The windows in the wood.
Bagaimana
Oke,
jendela
yang
yang
Iya.
di hutan beda umpit.
Apa?
Jendela.
Jendela kenapa?
Window in the woods?
Window like that.
Yeah,
Yeah. In the first, we plan to use aluminium, but now aluminium for the frame. But now,
The frame of what?
Just like it was so sunny in the bathroom.
my house in Totete.
Oh, your
Yeah,
house.
yeah, in my house.
Demolished it. He's building a 2-story house. Like he can show you photos.
Wait,
It's
what?
gone.
Yeah.
He's in the house that we stayed in?
It's no Totete.
His house that he lives
It's
in.
gone.
So where is Maelo staying?
In Pasang.
In Pasang.
Yeah, all in Pasang.
Everyone's staying in Pasang.
And you're making an aluminium house. That's
Oh. Balukan nila.
Memang musuh atau?
Tak ada apa masusta eh.
The sun in the morning.
Aku kira yang foto nanti.
Iya iya.
We should give him more blankets. We got those blankets in black fur.
Watch out for Mr. Victor Duncan, Justin Sambar. Oh, watch out. Ya hati-hati ompit mabuts.
Bahaya ini di video di belakang. Jadi saya tutup ya guys. Sensor.
Yang sensor di belakang.
Halo.
Halo.
Halo teman-teman semua.
Ada 18 plus di belakang.
Iya,
21
kita tutup
plus.
dulu. Kita tutup.
Biar di sensor sama
Iya,
Bicu.
Beach sudah ada pacarnya,
Nih.
jadi aman.
Gitu loh.
Ompit
kalau-
ketemu James kemarin James.
Ya James, iya iya.
Kemarin saya sama James jalan berdua.
James mana?
James yang di Jogja.
Oh, saya tidak ketemu.
Iya dia pulang ke Darwin.
Darwin.
Iya,
Waduh.
But I was kind of
ini.
Di mana? Datang nonton juga?
Tidak dia datang, tapi pergi ke kebun binatang
Oh,
sama-sama.
James.
Nih ke kebun binatang sama-sama.
Oh, kamu pergi sama?
Iya.
Ketemu di mana?
Dia jemput saya di rumah. James ganteng.
James.
Odok-odoknya bicu.
Hello brother, I'm watching from Kenya. Say
try again.
say to beautiful lady. Okay.
Halo, people
Sabi
from
cewek.
Kenya.
From Kenya.
Kenya, yeah.
People watching from Kenya, saying hi to the beautiful lady. People
Yeah.
from Kenya.
From Mount Kilimanjaro.
Yeah.
Kilimanjaro.
Kilimanjaro. Kenya. Sandidoro.
Orang-
Someone's watching
Orang
from Kenya.
Toraja atau orang Kenya?
Orang Kenya, I love
Why?
her. She's beautiful, yeah. Yeah, beautiful,
Halo.
yeah.
Hello sister.
Halo. Sudah mabut-mabut sedikit jadi. Bagaimana cerita? Your story is over?
Excuse me?
Your story is over with
The story's over.
the
Yeah.
story is over.
The story's ended.
Ended.
The
Yeah.
story, everything has to come to an end at some point.
Oh, yeah.
But we do need to play dice again. You ready? You ready to play dice?
Yeah, how
again?
much money do you
Okay,
have
play
on
dice
you?
again. Come on.
Come
Hey
on.
Victor,
Yeah.
do you have any money?
Money?
Cash?
No cash. play that dice for cash.
What about assets, valuables, material?
Material.
Yeah, your phone, your jacket, your shoes, your socks.
Jacket.
Sarung.
Sepatumu.
Sepatu.
Sepatumu. Bisa dikasih di dalam dan
Oh.
kalau John
Kalau kalah?
kalau John menang dia ambil sepatumu.
Saya kasih kaos kaki. You know you want?
Give you his food. His food.
That's cute. That's a big gamble.
Incredible.
Okay, yes.
I'll give you my house key.
Okay, I'm gonna go
Yes,
first.
Mount.
I'm gonna go first.
Yes, Mount Kilimanjaro is the highest in Kenya. Oh, Mount Kilimanjaro.
I can't wait. Oh shit! Yes.
They are enjoying
You're gonna do the
palm
whole
wine. Yeah, no
I'm
palm
gonna
wine.
take it.
It's
Take it.
you see
cerveza.
Roll the
Cerveza.
three straight up.
Cerveza.
Alright.
Bir,
I'm gonna
birra.
take it.
3 minutes.
La birra.
I'm gonna take it.
3 to beat. You could.
And I usually don't. I don't play safe for the most part. But 3, I think I'm alright with it.
Apa na belikan ki itu di
There's
depan
something about
Pit?
these dies tonight.
Apa na bikin tu depan? Ay, macam kaki na apa? Macam pagar ka. Matak.
Berembun.
Apa na
Wow.
bikin tu
He's
depan?
gonna take a fucking 6 right now.
Oke, kita main
He's
dadu.
gonna
Because you know it's
roll a
50-50.
6.
Like
Oh,
Boom.
right.
3 wins. It's up to you,
Ompit
Ompit.
lagi saya rekam si Ompit.
Ya, oke ya.
damn Ompit.
3.
Oh, careful on the roll. So
Apa tuh?
he knows.
Nice.
Oh. Again?
Yeah.
Wow.
Ooh, that's
Yeah.
close. Talking to his wife.
3 to beat though.
Dice.
3.
3.
There
Aduh.
it is, Dad.
Wow, nothing.
You're done.
Done.
3 to beat.
Ni Ompit.
Okay.
One hand on his wife, the other hand on the dice, the third hand on the business.
You're
Oh,
out.
I'm out.
You're
Same
out.
time. You're
You're
done.
out in 1.
What is it?
Busy.
What is it?
3 to beat.
What is what?
3 to
What
beat.
is it? I feel like on this side of the couch we got the magical touch.
Can I have the
Unfortunately, on
roll?
that side
This is a bad side.
things
At
are
least
going
I've been
so-
winning though.
Yeah. Don't forget my roll. My first roll. Oh,
You're
I'm
You're
done.
done.
That's a bad roll.
That's
What
me
if
to
I-
start.
What?
Alright. Well, he
I've
won
got
last
3.
time.
I got 3. I beat you. Yours.
Come on, Bitsy. He got 3. We were all there. We saw it.
Was I the last person?
Yeah.
You're the last person.
So I'm rolling
Didn't
again.
do that.
Alright, this is the last one before I go. We're not even got her. I'm gonna go.
Ompit tidak bisa
Me
ke
too.
Wish you wouldn't. Damn, Daddy.
Ompit tidak ada
wish
ke
you
tim ke tongkonan.
You're so spastic.
Tongkonan.
Kami pelondokan. Oh. Ke sekarang kah? Jam berapa ke sekarang di Toraja?
Ooh. That's a serious roll.
Oh, it's the same. 4 to beat.
Alright. That's somebody's biz.
4 to beat.
Oh, shit.
Oh
That's
no.
bad.
4 to
That's a
beat.
start. When you
Okay.
start bad, you never come back.
That guy is speaking good
sometimes you
English
do.
here.
It's
Yeah.
a story.
Yeah.
Bagaimana tidak?
Bisa karena bule ya.
Karena bule ya. Speak English very good.
Ah, here we go. Here we go. Ah, 3. 1 or a 3.
Ah, same.
Ompit.
Alright,
Oh,
I'm
same. Ompit lagi.
Do you need me to take that?
Nah.
Yeah.
Coba yang dulu.
Your phone is hot.
Okay.
Heating up.
Oh.
Oh, that's fresh.
Sambal a bit.
Stanley
No,
Church
tiga.
says
Oh, I get one.
but like the Christian way.
Someone.
There's that guy speaking good English there.
Sambal a bit.
Thank you, Stan.
Yeah.
It is our.
I know.
It's our native.
Are you sure this is a little dangerous? Because we're
Do I
down,
know?
man. It's like when I go down to all with your Christian buddies.
Oh, hey.
Nabi ko.
Lagi.
Try again.
Okay.
Ini.
There's no money involved.
Oh, it's a 6 anyway. So you gotta take one of them.
Take one.
Wait, wasn't it 3 to beat? No, 4 to beat.
4 to beat.
Oh.
Oh!
Tiga.
And now he's got to roll a 3.
So this.
Seharusnya
Needs to be a
3.
3.
Terusnya 3. So,
Nah.
lose. 3. Oh!
Four.
Okay.
Alright. Draw between armpit.
Okay.
Is Bichu just gonna kill everyone?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Ketongkonan. Tidak ada. Tidak tahu kata tadi kah? Harus kau ke sana. Kau tanya dulu supaya ke sana kalau.
Oh,
Leave it. Roll it all.
No.
It's
I don't know about that.
Oh, very nice, very nice.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
1 or a 3. 1 or a 3 and you win.
Oh,
4!
Oh,
So it's gonna be a roll.
incredible.
It's gonna be a roll.
wow.
Lizzie.
Okay, go restart,
That doesn't
restart,
count.
restart.
Wow, jatuh lagi.
That's a 6.
No.
3.
No.
No.
You take the 3.
You
But I
got
got
the
a
3.
three.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so it doesn't matter that I got that 6.
Yeah. It's
Okay.
just like when it gets later. No, you can't.
Just like a relaxed.
Oh.
Oh, that's crazy.
Whoa. This is like Inception. I would take that one.
Very good.
Oh,
I would take that one. I would take that
That
one.
was like a dreidel.
Yeah.
Mild cut.
Oh, she wins it! She wins it! And she wins it! Okay, now you go.
So everybody just shame.
Again.
No.
You can't stop them from falling
Violence.
off the table. Okay,
Violence.
this is the last warning. If you stop them from
You're
falling
crazy.
off the table,
Every time you play this game, you kind of explode the whole thing.
if you
There's no
Different
control.
ways.
if you roll it bad and they're gonna fall off the table, you can't stop them. Like that's not cool. Otherwise, you just
Oh, what are you calling? Oh, you
You
can't
can't.
stop, Lizzie.
you can't stop them.
It's a foul.
Yeah,
It's a foul.
and you
Foul.
just lose.
The whole game.
You lose the whole game.
Who's making
If they
up rules?
fall off the table, they fall off the table
Who's
and
being
they're sick.
dictatorial? I don't know
You
about
still
Lizzie.
have other things to take.
Alright,
But if you
Lizzie-
stop
but, like,
them
you
from
just-
falling off the table, that's
Who
that's
do you think
instant
his
loss.
dictator voice?
No,
Yeah.
it's-
Gotta
it's-
But at
it's
the same
instant
time,
over.
it's just like a sub. It's like a. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
It's like a breath.
Yeah, I know.
It's like a
Yeah.
sigh.
No. You can't just fucking.
Place them on the table. You gotta place them. It's
We're
a
rolling.
sign. It's a sign. It's also like letting your children go into the sea. But if you're
Let go of
fish.
control, but
Yeah.
also like not too much.
Yeah.
Let go.
You can see.
Yes, good.
No. But that's good. Good.
One.
Uh-huh.
Why am I getting another go?
Yeah, that's yours. What
Wait,
do you mean? Because
another
you
go?
won.
Ah.
Oh, that is exactly what we were talking about. It's like a slide.
Oh, you got 3.
Beautiful,
Yay.
beautiful,
Soft touch.
beautiful.
When you know Sasha,
Uh-huh.
when we were in.
No,
No, that's it. Oh, but that's good.
that's one.
What's happening there? Okay. Take that. What has Sasha done this time?
Nothing. But
That's four.
when we were in Morocco, Hoodie and Sasha were always fighting about the rules to.
This is kind of the point of the game.
Nice.
5.
Arguing about the rules.
Five's good. Five's great.
5's not that great.
It's better than that.
Nothing.
Let's take a slip.
How are you doing?
Ooh.
Dua.
It's not great. Okay. And 2 3s. Here we go. 2 3s.
Ouch.
You're done.
Damn.
You're dead.
Damn.
Damn.
5 to beat. Oh,
Ini
2.
satu. Oh, 2.
Okay. Things are a little weird.
Dapat 2.
Do you guys feel that?
In what way?
It's like a weird game.
There's
like
no
a funky
weirdness.
game.
No, there's nothing weird about
You
it.
can say whatever you want to say.
There's
But it's a
nothing
weird
weird
game.
about it.
It's a weird game. It's the last game. It's a weird game.
Is it the last game? Are you putting that?
Ooh, it's the last game that I'm involved in.
Bicara kawan, mau minta tolong.
What are we five
And a
today?
3. 5 to beat.
And
He's out. Lizzie's still in the lead.
Ompet.
bit.
Oke.
5. Lizzie's still in the lead on.
What are the comments?
3. Beautiful.
Pretty good.
Udah mungkin ambil ke 1.
Bisa juga ambil 1 ya.
Nah,
Aku ambil
I don't know about
kocok
that.
lagi.
I don't know about that.
Kocoknya lagi.
He's gone his own way.
Oh no, you have to take that.
Satu bisa diambil lah.
You have to
Jatuh
take
itu
that.
Vietnam.
Ompit.
Laut ya.
You got a little crazy.
Oh, so you're just
Crazy.
making
That's all the
it
lessons for
instant
next
now. You don't even get to finish your roll.
No, because he rolled a 6.
Okay.
So that's a 6.
People are getting crazy
Oke,
with this
Demokris
tape.
ya, Demokris.
Where are all the dice?
Ocean Jabar, Demokris.
Okay.
Nice, Bichu, nice,
Stay in the
Bichu.
What is it? 5 to be.
5 to be.
5 to
It's
be.
the last
Bichu.
roll. The last roll.
Last roll.
Bichu versus
Last bastion
Lizzie.
of the weirdest game we ever
Boom.
played.
Oh, should I take that one?
Don't
You
take
take
the
that
one.
one.
You never take. You never take. if you
Maybe
don't
take
need
the
to.
one.
But it doesn't make sense.